They swear to God I'm an animal.
Hoover, fighting out of Orange County, VA.
Bad news. I'm back again for my second fight. Let's get it.
Streetbeefs, we are back with another boxing match. Should be a good one. In this corner, we got Hoover. He's 1-0 in Satan's backyard. And in this corner, we got Bad News.
Bad news.
He's 3-0 in
Bang
Satan's
time, baby.
backyard. Be safe, fellas. Fight hard.
Come to the middle, touch gloves. Y'all know the rules. Conduct yourself a man. Protect yourself at all times. Step back. Mouthpiece. Mouthpiece. Obey my commands. Let's work, man.
All right, stand down, man. Come on. Hands up.
Do what you want, Arthur.
Tuck your elbows in. All right.
Don't let me get
Go
too
down a little
comfortable. Do
bit.
something.
Head movement. Head movement.
Body's gotta sit.
Breathe. Don't forget to breathe.
There's that right hand on the top.
You're gonna come in. Make sure you come in with something.
Yeah, work that body. Both sides.
Follow up with something.
Both sides, why not? He's all take a knee.
There you go. Relax. Relax.
Yeah, body shot now, off that. Jab in the body shot. Eight to the body, right hand. Hook.
Control yourself.
Oh.
There you go. Good. Good. Good.
There you go. Look over there. You're fine. I seen you look. Yeah, just fine.
Hands up. Hands up. Relax.
He's playing on windmills.
That's gonna get tired. Breathe. Breathe.
Keep to his body. Keep to his body. Reach down there and hit his body with them hooks, Arthur. Boom! Or the head, whatever.
Breathe.
Hit him wherever you want.
There you go. Good job. Good job.
Beat him like a drum. Beat him like a drum!
Get up. Walk through that jab.
Oh, look at that side to side.
Hands up. Hands
Look at
up.
that side to side.
Step in. 1, 2. Let's go.
My time, guys.
35.
35 seconds.
There you go. There's the protector.
There you go. 35 seconds. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Y'all back to sit. Y'all back to sit.
Watch that body.
Guys on the time, guys.
20 seconds. This one.
20 seconds.
Give me 30, 15,
1, 2. 1, 2. Breathe. Breathe. Touch the chin. There you go.
10,
Move your
9,
hand. Move your hand.
Stop on my
8,
time.
7,
Finish with something.
6,
Finish with something.
5, 4,
Finish with
3,
something.
2, 1.
My
Time.
time. Good work.
He knows how to play.
I get caught up like that sometimes. I get caught up. I get caught up. I get here like that. Motherfuckers throw my hand out.
He's gonna get tired. He's already tired. And you come out into the body. I'm done with the one. Look for that man to the body, into the head. Give him the make you work. Give him a check up here.
Mouthpiece. Mouthpiece. Round 2. Let's work.
Good body.
I just like to say.
Work at jab. Step around him now. Don't stand straight directly in front of him. Just keep him around him. Yeah, boxes. All day. Work at jab. There you go. Look for that left hook. He finds it. Yeah, see? He finds it.
Go in straight.
It's bad.
1, 2. 1, 2.
It's bad news.
Hands up. Make sure you breathe. Don't forget to breathe. There you go. Don't forget to breathe.
Flick jab. Good flick jab.
Tuck your
Right hand. Oh, he's gonna find the right hand now.
There you go.
Over top. Boom! There it was.
Crack, crack. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Yeah.
Inside. It's okay.
Yeah, you're in trouble now, buddy.
Come on.
Big trouble.
Hit him with one. Every time he punches,
Uh-huh,
hit him with
see?
one.
Now he's going
Every time he
under.
punches, hit him with one. Every time he throws something.
Yeah, body shot. Where's that big body
Come on,
shot?
offense,
To the body.
offense. Uppercut.
I see you. Look for it. Find it. Reach
Come on,
right
1,
around
2.
there and
Do the
catch
same
it.
thing. Come on.
On the ropes now.
Now we there he was right there. See, that takes it out of him, man. Wait for the red basket. Look at him. He's sucking wind now. Hit him with a couple more.
Hit him with the straight.
Bring him down there again, Arthur. Yeah.
That's
50 seconds.
Throw something. Throw something.
Oh, yeah. You stepped right into that one. That's bad news for you, bro. Bad news. Oh, he's having fun now.
Hit him with something.
It's target practice.
Commit to it. Hit him with something.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you better
2,
be done.
3, 4,
Yeah, I think that's about
5, 6,
You done?
7, 8.
it. He might have some more in him. Got some more in the tank?
Got 2 of them.
He said no.
That's it.
Yeah.
Fight over. Good fight.
Yeah,
Good fight, John. He's tough, man. He's tough. Hey,
fight, guys. Damn good fight.
Good fight.
Damn good fight. Hey, that yard and we leave it. Agreed? All right, fellas.
Any coward can pull a trigger, but it take a real man to look another man in the eyes, punch him right in the face. 5-star wolf pack. Step in the cage and I'm giving out work. Satan's backyard, you ain't trying to get hurt. I'ma bring the pain, you gon' get it the worst. Leaving with the win and I'm giving out work. Going for the knockout.